Most engines don't just wear out, they're slowly being killed by small things drivers ignore every day. The scary part? It's 100% preventable. Just 10 minutes once a month can save you from breakdowns, $5,000 repair bills, and the nightmare of shopping for a new car too soon. Do this one simple thing, and your engine could easily outlive the car itself. And wait until you hear the final tip. It's the secret that can turn a 150,000-mile car into a 500,000-mile legend. Before we start our countdown, if you love keeping your car running like new, please hit that like button right now. Every like helps us reach more drivers who need these essential tips. Now, let's make your car go forever. Number 15. Use the parking brake. Always. Here's a habit most drivers skip, but it's one of the easiest ways to make your car last longer. Always use the parking brake, even when you're parked on flat ground. See, every time you put your car in park, a small metal pin inside the transmission called the parking pawl locks into place to hold the weight of your entire vehicle. On a hill, it carries thousands of pounds of stress, creating a thunk sound when you shift out of park. That sound isn't just noise, it's a tiny piece of metal inside your transmission, flexing and straining to release the tension. Even on flat ground, the strain builds over time. If that little piece of metal ever snaps, you're looking at a transmission repair that can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000. It's the single point of failure that keeps your car from rolling away, and it's not meant to handle the full load for years on end. By engaging the parking brake first, you take all the pressure off that delicate pin and transfer it to the brake system, which is designed to hold your car's weight. The sequence is simple. Stop the car, put your foot on the brake, engage the parking brake firmly, and only then shift into park. When you leave, reverse the process. This small detail becomes a massive habit that saves your transmission from silent creeping damage. It's a small detail with a big payoff. Number 14. Use the correct fuel grade. Engines are designed with a specific fuel grade in mind. If the manufacturer says premium, it means the engine's compression, timing, and sensors are tuned for it. Cheap out with regular, and you're not saving a few bucks. You're actually causing engine knock, reduced performance, and long-term wear. Think of it this way. Would you water down your coffee every morning just to save pennies? Modern engines are highly precise machines. They rely on the fuel's octane rating to resist premature detonation, also known as engine knock. When you use a lower octane fuel than required, the fuel-air mixture can ignite before it's supposed to, creating a sharp, rattling sound. That sound is a shock wave that puts immense stress on your pistons and bearings. Over time, that stress leads to damaged components and a shortened engine life. The car's computer might try to compensate by retarding the ignition timing, but this comes at the cost of reduced power and efficiency. Give the engine the fuel it's designed for, and it'll reward you with smoother performance and years of reliable driving. Number 13. Maintain the PCV valve. The PCV valve is one of the most overlooked parts under your hood. It regulates crankcase pressure and keeps nasty sludge from building up. When it clogs, pressure builds, seals blow, and suddenly you're looking at oil leaks, blue smoke, and sludge that chokes the life out of your engine. Replacing a PCV valve costs less than a dinner for two, usually around $15 to $20. Ignoring it could lead to engine damage that runs into the thousands. The valve's job is to vent harmful gases and moisture away from the crankcase. When it's clogged, those gases are trapped, mixing with oil to form thick, corrosive sludge. That sludge then gums up everything from the lifters to the oil pump, starving your engine of proper lubrication. You won't get a check engine light for a clogged PCV valve. You'll just see mysterious oil loss, blue smoke from the exhaust, and a rough idle. Check it every time you change your oil. If it rattles when you shake it, it's likely fine. If it's silent, replace it. Number 12. Drive long enough trips. Short trips are engine killers. Why? Because the oil never gets hot enough to burn off moisture and fuel vapors. Instead, sludge builds, acids form, and your engine slowly suffocates. Do this for years, and you'll wonder why your car feels sluggish and burns oil like crazy. The fix is almost laughably simple. Take your car on a proper drive at least once a week. 20 to 30 minutes on the highway keeps the oil clean, the battery charged, and the engine healthy. The engine needs to reach and maintain its full operating temperature to properly cycle fluids and burn off harmful contaminants. A short 5-minute trip to the store doesn't do this. That's how engines get cooked from the inside out. Ignore it, and you'll be trading engines instead of stories about how long yours lasted. Number 11. Don't run on low fuel. Running on near empty is a silent car killer. Inside every fuel tank, debris and sediment settle at the bottom. Over years of driving, when you run low, the fuel pump has no choice but to suck up that junk. The result? Clogged filters, dirty injectors, and a pump that's straining harder than it should. The fuel in the tank also helps cool the fuel pump. When the tank is near empty, the pump can overheat, shortening its lifespan. Replacing a fuel pump can set you back over $1,000, and that's if it doesn't take the injectors down with it. The smarter move is simple. Refill when you're around a quarter tank. It saves your pump, protects your injectors, and keeps your car running strong for years. So remember, your fuel tank isn't meant to be run dry. It's meant to be full enough to protect your engine. Treat it that way, and your car will thank you every mile. Number 10. The once-a-month ritual. Engines are destroyed by neglect. The easiest way to prevent that is with a once-a-month ritual that takes less than 5 minutes. Pop the hood and give your engine bay a visual inspection. This habit has saved thousands of engines from an early grave by catching leaks, frayed belts, and loose connections before they cause major breakdowns. According to the American Automobile Association, over 80% of roadside breakdowns could have been prevented with basic monthly inspections like this one. It's the foundation for all the following tips. Number 9. The fluids rule. Every engine depends on fluids to survive. Oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid. They're like blood, oxygen, and water to your car. Ignore them and your engine slowly suffocates. Follow them and your car can run 500,000 miles without complaint. The most critical fluid is engine oil. Change it on schedule and your engine stays clean and lubricated. Every time you pop the hood, pull the dipstick, and look at the oil color and level. If it's dark, gritty, or low, don't wait. Fix it before it ruins your engine. Also, studies show that 65% of engine overheating incidents are caused by low coolant levels that could have been caught with simple monthly checks. If you've made it this far, you're serious about protecting your investment. We're about to hit the final, most important tips, including the 500,000-mile secret. To make sure you don't miss our next video, take 1 second to subscribe to Make Cargo Now. We're dedicated to saving you money and keeping your engine healthy. Let's finish strong with the rest of the list. Number 8. Examine the air filter. Your air filter is like the lungs of your engine. A clean filter allows smooth airflow, but a clogged one forces your engine to work harder just to breathe. This leads to reduced power, lower gas mileage, and increased wear on key engine parts. A dirty filter can throw off your engine's fuel-to-air ratio, leading to incomplete combustion that causes carbon buildup, fouled spark plugs, and in the long run, even damage to your catalytic converter. Neglecting a part that costs less than a dinner can lead to over $2,000 in repairs. A clean filter is cheap, quick to swap, and can add years to your engine's lifespan. Number 7. Look over belts and hoses. Belts and hoses are the unsung heroes of your engine. They're constantly under stress, and when they fail, they often cause major breakdowns. A snapped serpentine belt can leave you stranded, while a burst radiator hose can overheat your engine in less than a minute, warping the cylinder head or blowing a head gasket. Repairs like that easily run into the thousands, while replacing a belt or hose costs pocket change in comparison. Just a 2-minute inspection once a month can prevent catastrophic breakdowns. You're looking for cracks, fraying, or soft spots that indicate the rubber is aging and ready to fail. Number 6. Check battery terminals. Your battery might not seem like a big deal until the morning you turn the key and hear nothing but silence. Here's the truth. A weak connection at the terminals can make your entire electrical system suffer. Corroded or loose terminals force your alternator and starter motor to work overtime. The National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence reports that 73% of battery-related failures are actually connection problems, not dead batteries. Checking once a month is easy. If you see buildup, clean it with a baking soda and water mix. A clean connection means a healthy flow of power, which means less strain on your engine and fewer electrical headaches. Number 5. Inspect tire pressure. When people think about engine life, tires aren't usually the first thing that comes to mind. But here's the hidden truth. Low or uneven tire pressure forces your engine to work harder every mile you drive. Imagine pedaling a bicycle with soft tires. You burn more energy, cover less ground, and wear yourself out faster. The same thing happens to your car. Underinflated tires also overheat, raising the risk of a blowout at highway speeds. That's not just an expensive repair, it's a serious safety hazard. It's one of the easiest habits that saves fuel, saves your engine, and keeps you safe on the road. Number 4. Listen for unusual noises. Your car has a language of its own, and if you pay attention, it will often warn you before disaster strikes. One of the smartest habits you can form is to simply listen. Strange noises are your engine's cry for help, and ignoring them is like turning off the fire alarm while smoke fills the house. A mechanic's stethoscope is cheap, but your ears are free. Squealing brakes, clicking sounds when you turn, or a knocking from the engine are all warnings of potential problems. Catching a noise early can save thousands in repairs. Number 3. Look under the car. One of the easiest yet most overlooked habits is simply looking under your car once a month. Fluids are the lifeblood of your engine, and leaks are an early warning sign most drivers miss until it's too late. Oil spots on your driveway, coolant puddles, or a faint smell of fuel should all raise a red flag. Consumer Reports found that over 60% of major engine repairs could have been prevented by catching fluid leaks during their early stages. Spotting leaks is free and takes seconds. Park in a clean spot or use cardboard under the car overnight. In the morning, check for drips. Number 2. Check transmission fluid if accessible. Your transmission fluid plays just as big a role as your oil. When the fluid level drops or the liquid gets dirty, your transmission starts slipping. This creates heat, which is the #1 killer of transmissions. If your car has a dipstick for transmission fluid, check it the same way you would oil. Healthy fluid is bright red or pink. If it's dark brown or smells burnt, it's screaming for attention. The good news? A once-a-month check can prevent all that and save you thousands in costly repairs. And finally, number 1. The quick idle and rev test. Engines are like people. You can tell a lot just by listening to how they breathe and move. That's why a monthly idle and rev test is one of the smartest habits you can adopt. Start the engine, let it idle for a minute. Listen closely. A healthy engine should hum smoothly without sputters or dips. If it shakes, stalls, or idles unevenly, that could mean dirty fuel injectors, vacuum leaks, or ignition issues waiting to get worse. This simple test costs nothing and could save you thousands. Now that we've covered the habits, here's your bonus tip. Bonus tip: smart warm-up. This is one of the biggest myths in car care. You've probably seen someone start their car on a cold morning and let it idle for 10 or 15 minutes. But that old advice comes from the carburetor era. Letting your car sit idling for long periods does more harm than good. The smart way to warm up is to start the engine. Let it run for about 30 seconds so the oil can circulate, and then drive gently. That's how your engine was designed to warm up, under light load, not by sitting still. Thanks for watching Make Car Go. Got your own car maintenance wins or horror stories? Drop them in the comments. And for simple tricks to keep your ride running forever, go and hit that subscribe button.